I teach writing to cancer patients because writing touches the soul. The novelist Isabel Allende wrote, "I feel writing is an act of hope, a sort of communion with our fellow man." Our cancer writing class is a community of friends discovering deeper meanings about themselves and their lives. We come together to laugh, understand, to share what it means to be human.
When we started the writing group, we really did not know what to expect. And what we encountered was a room full of very interesting people who are dealing with some very difficult issues in their lives brought on by illness. But that didn't define the group. What defined, or at least what stood out to me initially, was the camaraderie, uh, the support, the interest of people one for another, the listening, and the paying attention.
Giving people that reflective time and then allowing them each to make their expression of their own beliefs and needs and feelings in their writing allows people in the group to deeply know each other. And it's kind of a unique opportunity to get that close to a group of people. And I say this having never met them because it's all been on Zoom, and yet it has been that emotionally close, and I do feel very connected to all.
Writing is also about play. It's an essential, like jelly on toast.
Melissa is not afraid to try wacky humor or any other means to get us to start thinking about something a little differently. And it's another aspect too of being in a group of people who are living with cancer, and that is that humor is not out of place. Humor is healing, for one thing. Laughter is therapeutic. We have plenty that we could moan and groan about if we felt like doing that. And there are times to moan and groan, there are times to mourn, there are times to cry. Uh, but the fact that we have the freedom also to laugh and to find humor in maybe very unexpected places is as is valuable. It's therapeutic. It's helpful. It's life giving.
A lot of people think that writing is just about grammar and spelling. Writing's really so much about how closely we observe the world around us and how we take it in and filter it through ourselves. It's about learning to quiet the mind, to be present, and there's nothing more soothing than being right here in the present.
Not thinking of writing about cancer unless we really wanted to um, was really helpful for me. When you did give us that one assignment, and it was my first class, it was the McGlynn Cancer Institute class, and you had said, I want you to write your letter to cancer. And I go back and I read that letter, and it's helpful.
This isn't my class, it's our class. I just kick up a little dust, help the process along, help us let go of our inhibitions. And I think it's in that very special moment of letting go that pain dissolves into curiosity and fascination.
What's refreshing about being in a group like this is the cancer is a given. It's just there. And the fact that it's just there is freeing because it's there for all of us. Whatever is said in here is really important. it's not superficial, it's not chit chat, it's really getting at the core of things.
Help me to write from my heart with no judgment. Help me meet with a beautiful group of people whose stories touch me on their own unique level. It is better to write it down, isn't it?
I was recently honored to be invited by the Milton S. Hershey Medical Center to teach a 6-month writing workshop as the basis of a clinical study of the effect of creative writing on cancer patients. The results were published in the British Medical Journal, and the conclusion heartening to us all, that writing from the heart helps patients feel like writers, not victims of a disease.
We're looking for ways to express whatever we want to express about our life, and it's not about a life with cancer. It's about a life.
Yeah, here it is. You said, this was to the group. You said, have your own voice. And that was awesome because we didn't feel like we felt like we could have our own voice.
Writing is strength, hope, and courage. It's been said writing is a way to look pain in the eye and say, I'm moving ahead.
Help me to know that cancer is not a story, it is a word. But through creative writing from the heart, I can handle this journey.